Okay guys, just want to give you a quick review of this nice Minolta. This is zoom lens, autofocus zoom lens. I want to show you, give you a little tour around it. It is a 70 to 210 zoom lens, as you can see here. I'll show you that. 70 to 210. I'll show you all around the side here. Autofocus 70 to 210, you can see that. Here is the back. All metal construction, which is really nice. A lot of the new ones today come plastic. This is metal, which is really nice quality. Put that back on. I'll show you the front 1 second. And this is the front of the lens. And this is a 70 to 200. It's an f4.5 5.6. So you can see right there, f4.5 and 5.6. It is a nice lens, clean glass, just a really nice quality lens. And this is the hood. This is a flare hood, we call it, or just the hood. Gets the sunlight out when you take those photos. You don't get that glare in the glass. That's what this is designed to do. And it's in really nice shape. You can see how that really zooms out. Look at that. That really zooms out nicely, and it works beautiful. Really nice lens, really clean and nice, real beefy, just really super nice. Made in Japan, and they make a lot of nice glass in Japan. It's really nice, and it's just a nice quality Minolta lens. So I just want to give you a nice tour. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time.